Hey everyone, Andy from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and today we're diving into something I think you're going to love, the Edifier W800BT Pro wireless over-ear headphones. Now, I've reviewed Edifier products before, like the WH950 headphones, which you absolutely loved. So I'm really excited to see how these new ones compare. Now guys, before we dive into the review, I've got some exciting news. I'm giving away a free pair of these headphones. All you've got to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. And also go to the link below to enter the giveaway. Now, the more times you enter, the more chance you got to win. So make sure you do it to enter your chance to win these fantastic pair of headphones. And it's all to say thank you for being part of our channel. Guys, we love to give back to you because you give so much to us. So, all right, let's get into it. First up, we're unboxing the W800BT Pro. Inside the box, you get the headphones themselves, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. I love that Edifier sticks to the essentials. No unnecessary extras. Just what you need to get started. The headphones come in multiple colors, such as the cream white I've got, but also black and sleek blue. Right off the bat, the design is minimalistic, but stylish. Perfect for both casual and professional settings. Now let's talk about comfort. One of the best things I like about these headphones is how comfortable they are. They feel really comfortable on their head. So no matter what your head size, they fit quite clearly like that, and they can bend too. The pressure reliant headband is quite good. Very soft, plush ear pads. They're very good for long listening as well. So whether you're working out, gaming, or just chilling out, you'll barely notice you're using these. And I'm going to show you guys in a moment using these, exercising what they're like. The headphones feature a 40mm dynamic driver, and the diaphragm is coated with titanium, which delivers clear mids and highs, while giving you that punchy bass that we all love. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or watching a movie, the soundstage is expansive, and every detail comes through crystal clear. Now guys, I've tested these with a range of musics, from electronic to classical, and they really hold their own, especially at this price point. Now, speaking of standout features, the W800BT Pro comes with hybrid active noise cancellation. The ANC technology cancels out up to 44 decibels of background noise, which is impressive. So whether you're in a crowded train or a noisy office, you can really immerse yourself in your music or podcast without distractions. As you can see, I've been using them here on a busy road outside my apartment, and I couldn't hear any of the noise around, which is great. There was an ambulance going past, and I could only just barely hear it. So it shows the noise cancelling in these is actually quite good. You've also got ambient aware as well that allows outside noise to come in. Say you want to cross a road, for example, press a button and you can watch when people are out there. Now for my fellow gamers out there, this one's for you. The W800BT Pro has ultra low latency with a lag time of just 0.06 seconds. Why is this important? Well, it's a huge deal if you're gaming, where audio sync is critical. Whether you're in a heated match or watching fast-paced videos, there's no noticeable delay between action on screen and the sound, which makes for an immersive experience. And on the connectivity front, the W8BT Pro uses Bluetooth 5.4. Now that's the latest version of Bluetooth, which means faster transmission speeds, strong connections, and lower power consumption. You can also connect multiple devices simultaneously, which is perfect for those who want to constantly switch between our phone and our laptop. Plus, Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a stable connection, even in busy environments like airports or cafes with minimal interference. One of the best features of these headphones is the battery life. You see, with ANC off, you get an incredible 45 hours of playtime. And even with ANC on, you're still getting plenty of listening time. And if you're ever in a hurry, a 10-minute charge gives you an additional 8 hours of use. For a set of headphones in this price range, guys, that kind of battery life is seriously impressive. And also, how about this case? Don't you love this design? It's great to see that finally music manufacturers are really stepping out and giving us some different types of packaging, you know. I love the color blue. Now talking about the price, these headphones are an absolute steal. You're getting premium features like hybrid ANC, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra low latency, and long battery life, at all fraction of the cost of other high-end models. If you're looking for a set of headphones that delivers amazing value for money, then these are a no-brainer. And let's not forget, if you want even more control over your sound, you can use the Edifier Connects app. The app lets you personalize your EQ settings, so if you prefer more bass, more treble, you can tweak the sound to your liking. Let's have a look at the Edifier Connects app, as you can see just here. Now, it's very easy to set up. Just connect to your headphones, select the product there. As you can see, noise cancellation. So you can change noise cancellation depending on what you want. So high noise cancellation, medium, wind reduction. I found high noise cancellation very good. I've got it at the moment. It depends really what you want to use it for. Sound effects there, you can customize your EQ settings. So whether you want to do, so you can change your, increase your mids, increase your lows. You can customize completely depending on what you want. I found I had to tweak a little bit when I first got the headphones. and you got your sound modes as well. So whether you want game, you want spatial, yeah, it's really good to have these different features because it allows you to customize the music depending on what you actually want, which is great. Okay, these headphones are also really good for working out as well. Being comfort and a secure fit in the head, they don't move much at all. You don't sweat much with them either. So I'm going to show you guys now how it works. So I pop them on my head and I'm going to go and do some chin-ups now on the bar to show you how it works. So see, as you can see, they're not moving at all in my ears and they're working really well. So and I'm going to do these ones too. So they're not moving, so great for exercising. So how about sound quality? Well guys, again at the price point, it's great. The bass is clear, the sound's good. I listened to a bit of London house music, which I always love to listen to. You could feel the beats, you could feel the music. It sounded really, really good. It's not up there with like your $500 headphones, but for the price, you're getting a real bargain. To wrap up, the Edifier W800BT Pro headphones have it all. Great sound quality, comfort, noise cancellation, a crazy long battery life, all at an affordable price point. They hold their own against much more expensive headphones, making them a fantastic choice whether you're using them for work, gaming, or just everyday listening. Now again guys, we've got the giveaway going, and as you can see from my videos, we've given away so many products already. So if you want a pair of these, check out the links below, enter. As I said, the more chances you do, the more chance you get to win. If you found this review helpful, please do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All your support really keeps me growing the channel. Anyway, thanks for joining me here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.